Third grader Hareem Fatima sat quietly with her classmates when suddenly her teacher called out, "Hareem Fatima, please come and write the multiplication table of 16 on the whiteboard." Without hesitation, Hareem stood up, walked confidently to the whiteboard, and began to write. With precise strokes, she wrote down the entire multiplication table of 16 flawlessly. The accuracy of her work brought a broad smile to the teacher's face. Expressing her delight, the teacher turned to the other students and said, "Let's all stand up and give a round of applause for Hareem Fatima." The classroom erupted in smiles and laughter as each student clapped enthusiastically for Hareem. Once the applause subsided, the teacher curiously asked, "How is your mathematics so good? Who teaches you math?" Hareem beamed with pride as she replied, "My father teaches me math."